Okay, what we have here is a 1939 Standard car company. Standard is the name of the car. They later bought out Triumph so that you would also get Triumph, or Standard Triumph. Standard became a bad name for the car in the early 60s. People were dogging off on the name, so they did away with the Standard brand name. They did keep Triumph. The car is also, believe it or not, a SS Jaguar frame. That's right, you heard it. It's a Jaguar. But Jaguar was called SS in 39. They changed it from SS because of obvious reasons in 1940 and renamed it Jaguar. But Jaguar was using this frame and motors for their cars. As I said, it's a 39. It's the only one known by the Standard International Club in England, Europe, on the island of Great Britain. It's the only one. There is 138, 38 in Poole, owned by a sports writer named Kim. Very nice guy, very educational. And there's a 37, I believe, up in the Newcastle, York area, up that way. But those are the only 3 known survivors. It has a 1.776, 1.8 liter motor. Cruising speed, if you got lucky, 60 in its prime. Right now, it loads 40, 45. It pulls along all good. It weighs almost 2.5 CWT, clinical weight.
100
weight is almost 2,500, and that's all metal. That's what happened to these cars in the 70s. Everybody went, oh, the metal prices are up. I know, I got a banger that weighs a ton. Let's get rid of it. Hence the reason why you didn't see it. If anybody sees one of these, pre-war, pre-war, you can tell it's pre-war because of the slats in the in the bonnet. That indicates it's pre-war. If you see a 14 that doesn't have this, that means it's post-war 45, 46 instead. Another nice thing about this is you don't have to have windshield washer fluids. The front windshield opens. No washer required. It's not a true limousine. It's downward grade. I have talked to individuals lately. One individual did state he does remember it being used as a taxi, which would make total perfect sense. It's very comfortable to drive in. This would have been the executive limousine. I would have been the chauffeur. That's hence the reason why you have the 4 doors suicide. So the executive can get in and out easy and simple. As you look at the car entering this majestic entry, think of what it would have been like in 1939. Peace, calm, everything is beautiful. There wasn't a war looming. that war was looming. Because of that, this car in 1939 registered in March of 39. It was the, I believe, only 39th car of the year. The model Flying 14 started in September . It may have been the 2068th car built of that variety claiming that year. It's the only known survivor. Kim with, World of Wheels. You can find Kim on, through my Facebook, Sberg05. Driving the car is something that not just this car. I own a 53 split window Moggy. It's the environment you're in, the time span that you're driving in. If I'm driving a 1953 car, I'm thinking, oh my God, the nation's doing great. Look, everybody's happy. I've got a new car and it only cost me 400 pounds. I'm doing great. I can go on holiday. RCA. R8.
Comment.
Your GoPro's on top of my hood. Yeah, bonnet.
Oh yes. How anachronistic.
Yes, I could say.
Good, that shot it.
The way it was going. I did try to do it closer. Well, hell, that was a real fun ride. I hope everybody enjoyed their time. We'll see you again on another day. Be safe. And they're worth saving, man. They're worth saving.